So our next sound is two-letter sound. Can also make the O sound as well. So O and U together can sometimes make the O sound. O, O, O. The long O vowel sound. Okay, I have to say it's not the most common O sound, but sometimes in some words it can make the O sound. Okay, so the first word with this O sound is soul. Soul. S O U. Soul. S O U. Soul. S O U. Soul. My soul is, I don't know the word with soul. My soul is happy. There you go, there's a sentence. Soul, soul, soul. Okay, so let's go on to our next one, which is boulder. 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 B-O-U-D-E-R. Boulder. B-O-U-D-E-R. Boulder. The boulder was heavy. The boulder being a rock was heavy. Boulder. B-O-U-D-E-R. Boulder. How many letters does boulder have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 letters. How many sounds? B-O-U-D-E-R. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sounds for boulder. And a word that rhymes with boulder is shoulder. Shoulder. Sh. O-U-D-E-R. Shoulder. Sh. O-U-D-E-R. Shoulder. So in shoulder we have 3 two-letter sounds. So you've got sh, o, and here. Shoulder. Sh, o-u-d-e-r. Shoulder. My shoulder is hurting from rock climbing. Could be a sentence there. Shoulder. So letters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 letters. How many sounds? Sh, o-u-d-e-r. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5. Just 5. Sh, o-u-d-e-r. Shoulder. Okay, so let's say them all again together. Say it with me, please, to practice your English and your pronunciation. That would be great. O, O, soul, S-O-U, soul. Boulder, B-O-U-D-E-R, boulder. And shoulder, Sh-O-U-D-E-R, shoulder. As I said, this isn't the most common O sound. This spelling pattern usually makes the ow sound, but it can make the O sound as well. Anyway, thank you very much for watching today. Please remember to like the video and subscribe as well. It would be great help growing the channel. Also, please share the video and leave a comment as well. Thanks again.